Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple crowdfunding smart contract written in Solidity and deploy it on the Conflux eSpace Testnet. Before diving into the code, let's first understand the purpose of this contract and how it actually works through a quick demo. So here in Remix, I've already compiled the contract. There are a few warnings, but nothing critical, so we can safely ignore them for now. Before deploying, we need to pass values to the constructor, which includes the funding goal and the deadline. For this demo, let's say I want to raise 1 CFX within 3 minutes. After entering these values, I select MetaMask as my environment, confirm my account, and deploy the contract. Once the transaction is confirmed, our smart contract is live, and we can start interacting with it. Now, let's test the core functionality. To contribute, I simply enter an amount, say 1 CFX, and send the transaction. Once confirmed, you can see the contribution reflected in the contract balance. I can also switch accounts and contribute again to simulate multiple users funding the campaign. As more funds come in, we can check the total raised function to see how much has been collected so far. In this case, we've already exceeded our goal of 1 CFX, which means the campaign is successful. We can also verify other details like the deadline, which is stored in Unix timestamp format, the creator's address, and individual contributions using the mapping. Now coming to the logic, if the funding goal is reached before the deadline, only the creator can withdraw the funds. If the goal is not met within the deadline, contributors can claim refunds. This ensures a fair and trustless crowdfunding mechanism. Moving on to the code, we have a contract named Simple Crowdfunding with key state variables like the creator's address, funding goal, deadline, and total funds raised. We also use a mapping to track contributions from each address. The constructor initializes the goal and deadline, while functions like contribute, withdraw, and refund handle the main logic of the contract. Overall, this is a clean and practical example of how crowdfunding can be implemented on-chain using Solidity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.